Hello students, welcome back to Luminary Academy and I am back with a new video. In this video, I am solving question number 10 of class 10th, chapter number 8, exercise 8.1. So let's start. In this question, it is saying that in the triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PR plus QR equals to 25 centimeter and PQ is equals to 5 centimeter. Determine the value of sin P, cos P and tan P. Okay, so first of all, you need to interpret the question properly. So first make a right angle triangle. I already told you. Okay, but here it is telling that right angle at Q, so you can write it as Q. Okay, so this you can write as P and this you can write as R. So triangle PQR. Okay, this is a triangle, right angle at Q. Now here PR and QR is equals to 25. So this two, QR plus PR is equals to 25, right? So if I take it as X, okay, so this I need to take is 25 minus X. Obviously 25 is a bigger number and obviously hypotenuse will be bigger. Okay, so 25 minus X will do, and PQ is equals to 5. So this is 5, right? So according to the PGT, so applying PGT here, applying PGT, what you can do is you can do 25 minus X the whole square because this is hypotenuse, right? Then here it will be X square plus 5 square, because this square plus this square will become this square, right? So you need to apply here identity. Now here identity will be x minus a minus b the whole square. Okay, so this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? So a square, that is 625 because 25 square, plus x square because b square, then minus 2 into, yeah, so 2ab, so 2 into a is 25 and b is equals to x. This is equals to x square plus 25 square is 25, right? So this is 625 plus x square and this will be multiplied, so it will become minus 50x is equals to x square plus 25, right? So x square and x square, because they are like terms, so this will be cancelled, right? Now you can send this 50 to this side and 25 to this side. So 625 minus 25. Okay, so what will be the value? Just a minute. 625 minus 25 is equals to 50x. So this will become 600, right? And this will become 50x. So you can send the 50 to the denominator. So 600 upon 50 is equals to x. Done. Now 0 can be cancelled. 5 times 1 and 5 times 12 is 60. So 12 is equals to x. Now we got the value of x. So what you can do is, you know that the value of x is 12, right? So if it is 12, okay, and this will become 25 minus 12. So 25 minus 12 will be 13 and this will become 12 and this will become 5, right? Now what you need to do is, you got the answer by of all the sides. Now you can do one thing, you need to find sin P. So some people have, your P angle is here, so this will be a theta for the sin P. Okay, so perpendicular means opposite of this perpendicular is 12 and hypotenuse is 13, so 12 by 13. Cos P, so cos P will be equal to, some people have curly black hair, so black hair, so base is 5 and hair is 13, so 5 by 13 is the answer. And then through proper brushing, so 10p will be equals to, proper means opposite of p is 12 and brushing is 5, so 12 by 5. So I hope you got this question, students. So the basic twist was, you need to take this as one of the value of this is x. Okay, अगर आप इसको x लेते तो भी आंसर आता, अगर आप इस 25 माइनस x की जगह सिर्फ x लोगे और ये जो वैल्यूज़ है x की जगह आप 25 माइनस x लिखोगे तो भी सेम आंसर आएगा, ठीक है? और उस केस में x की वैल्यू आएगी 13, ओके, और x माइनस मतलब 25 माइनस x माइनस की वैल्यू आएगी 12, तो भी आंसर सेम ही आएगा. सो देयर इज़ नो चेंज इन दिस. ओके, so I hope you understand this question, students. Keep watching and share with your friends. Thank you.